Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video of learning Darts, we are going to understand how we can use while loop in Dart. So for that, I am creating a new file. I say while loop dot dart. Again, I say void main here. While is similar to for loop. Suppose I write here. So here I will have to write condition, remember, and inside this I have to use increment, increment or decrement, and here I have to use initialization. Similar to for loop, this is initialization, this is increment, decrement, and this is we have condition. Remember that, put here condition like this. So similar to other programming language, same syntax we have. So I say int I equal to 0 and I say if I is less than 5, then I print this. I say print, I say value of I equal to, and I say $I, remember, and I say I plus plus. It's a simple one. So this concept is same as compared to other programming language, same in C, same in JavaScript, same in C++, same in Java. Everything is same. Just you have to implement the same here in Dart also. If I run it, I say Dart run 9 while loop. You see the value of I 0 to 4, we have the output. If I put it 1 and I say to 6, then it will run here 1 to 5, no problem at all. If you want to use nested while, is also same. You can use nested while also. Suppose I say while, and for that I can use other value also. I say int j equal to 0, initialization is there. Or I can say 1 also here, and here I say j value is less than 6, and under this I say print here, and I say j equal to and $j, no problem at all. Then I say j plus plus, you see, and this is value of I plus plus. So I can do this later on also after this here, and then I do this. So this is same like for loop we have done in the previous video. So like this, if I run it once again, you will see that, you see the problem is here, once I is 1, then j is execute, but when I is 2, then j is not executing. Why? Because we have initialization outside of the while loop. So creating a problem, we have to initialize it inside the while loop, because every time I want to execute this, so every time this value should be initialize, because if it would not initialize, then it will be more than 6. So this condition would not satisfy, so it will not run. You have seen here, but when I initialize it again and again, so how I can do it? I can do like this also, and again here I can initialize it once again like this. So if I run it, now you will see that every time if I is 1, then j execute all the times. If I is 4, then it execute all the time. 3, it execute, then 2, it execute all the time. If it is 1, it's execute all the time. Remember that, similar to for loop, nothing is there, just we have the habit to use for loop more than the while, but while is also the same concept we have. Remember this. It depends on you now how to use it. There are so many use of whiles also, because we put here while 1, so it just execute and we make an infinite loop for using while. So depend on you, depend on the conditions and the programming concept which we want to implement. Otherwise both have same type of concepts. In next video we will see the do while, and we will understand the difference between while and do while. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, like this video, share to your friends, and thank you for watching this video.